Pooja, can you hear me now?
Yeah, now I can hear you.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Yeah, uh, I said that Python is a general purpose, high level, dynamically typed, interpreted based programming language. That means I'm discussing all the features of Python in my definition. That's it. You, whenever someone asks you about what is Python and all, you can't say simply like it is a programming language to do some programs and all.
Okay.
You can't say like that
Okay.
because as a graduate, we can't say like that. We have to uh, tell our definition very professionally. Okay. So,
Okay.
uh, just give me a minute. Do you have softwares in your machine? Python.
Uh, yeah, I have it.
Okay. Uh, for Python, okay, it is okay to do with softwares whatever you have, but coming to Django, I'll uninstall all the softwares which you have in your machine, and I will install the same things. Okay, because for Django you have to set some interpreters, and also you have to.
So actually, I came to the office on last Friday, and they did the setup for me. Like they removed everything from my laptop and did the setup for me.
Mac or OS, sorry, Mac or Windows.
Windows.
Windows. Okay, so no problem. Okay, no problem then. I'll continue with my class. I'll share my screen. Just give me a minute.
Okay. Do we need my programming laptop today? Because actually, I don't have it right now. I can have it from tomorrow.
Okay, no problem. Just I will show you. I'll share the recording, right?
Yeah.
What are your comfortable timings to class?
7 is good. 7 o'clock in the morning is good.
What about evening?
Evening they said that it'll be around 8, right?
Uh, okay. Can you see my screen? Just give me
Yeah,
a second.
I can see the screen.
Okay.
I can see the screen.
But are you studying or what?
No, no. My studying just completed.
Okay. Okay then. Okay. You have to learn Python and Django, and after that, try to go for this fast API. Okay.
Okay.
Trending courses. These are fast API engineer or the trending. Currently, I'm working in Capgemini,
Okay.
so I'm going to work on this fast API engineering. I'm creating a new project like this. Okay, I'll show you how to do that. Whenever you open PyCharm, you can go here. You can select
Okay.
new project. Just give any random name, whatever the name you want. You can give. This is a folder name, okay? Python 7am, and this is a subfolder. Okay, just directly I'm giving in f disk, okay?
Okay.
And here you have to select custom environment, because you can also do with the virtual environment. I'll explain you it later, but try to do in the custom environment and select existing. Okay,
Okay.
select existing and you can create. If you select this window, this PyCharm will get replaced. If you select new window, a new PyCharm will get open. That's it.
Okay.
if you want to see the location of this folder, simply you can go open with Explorer. Directly you can get like this
Okay.
folder, an empty folder. Okay. So okay, I think you have not seen location, right? I have shared only Python.
Yeah, I can only see blank space at that time.
Python files here. If you want to store in a different folder, you can select new directory. This directory, for example, we are going to discuss about operators. You know operators, about operators?
Yeah.
Yeah. Operators is nothing but it is a general math. That's it. Okay.
Yeah.
First of all, try to uh, practice at least 1 hour Python daily, and after that we'll go for Django. And after that, try to learn Fast API or DRF, Django REST framework on your own. If you
Okay.
need help, I'll help you. This is
Okay.
a roadmap to get to cope up with the present competition. Okay.
Okay.
These are the trending topics now. Python, Django are the basics for this fast API, DRF and all. And after that, you can go for GenAI and all. Do you have any idea on GenAI, generative AI?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, so that you can go for it. Yeah. You can create new in that new directory. Again, select right click on that, and you will find new Python file. Some okay. While you are creating any Python file, try to use some numeric letters like that. I mean, arithmetic one or something like that, because they have some inbuilt functions and classes and libraries in Python. So whenever you create with that inbuilt, unfortunately, if you create a Python file with that name,
Yeah.
you will have an error like circular import like that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, in Python, we know it is very easy to write program in simple. It almost looks like English only. Okay. I'll write down the definition here first, and I'll try to uh, explain what is the definition and all. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And in Python, if you want to put it in comments, you have to use triple quotes. If you want to put a paragraph like that, if you have only single line, just you can use hashtag. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now Python is the general purpose level dynamically typed based language, which is used to kind of program. Uh, this is the definition I have said to you. Yeah.
Okay.
Now, let's discuss about this definition first. Okay, I said that it is a general purpose. That means it is a free source, whereas in Java after uh, version 8 it is a paid version, but Python is a free version. Okay. That's why companies are also going with Python only.
Sorry, I got uh
Yeah.
I got disconnected suddenly.
Yeah, okay, okay. Are you able to hear now?
Yeah, I'm able to hear. I just got disconnected and went out of the meeting suddenly.
Okay, okay. Yeah. In Python is a free open source. Wherever you can download it for free and you can use it for free. Whereas Java, after version 8, it is a paid version. So companies are showing more interest in Python because uh, why they want to pay for the programming language. So in that case, Python is they are using more. Okay,
Yeah.
high level. That means print, if you want to print hello world, simple
Okay.
world. I'll try to run this program. Just right click on this in this space and you can run, or else you can select here current file and you can run. You'll get the output in this terminal. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Simple. Print hello world. Whereas in Java, if you want to print the same sentence, you will have 3 to 4 lines, 4 to 5 lines. So there is
Okay.
no need to struggle more in Python. Simple. It look in general words. Print hello world. That's it. You will get the output. Okay.
Okay.
Nothing but it almost looks like English. That's it. Okay. Now, this is about high level. It almost looks like English. Now, what is dynamically typed? Okay. Now, I am taking A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 6.3 something, and so C is equal to uh, whenever you are using any strings, you have to put it in single or double quotes. Okay. So
Okay.
hello. Okay, have given some variables here. These are called variables which are on the left side, and this is the data. 5, 6.3 and Python is the data which is stored in that variable. Variables are used to store the data. Okay, they'll carry the data. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Do you know what is the type of A here?
What is the type of? You're cutting out again. Sorry. What is the type of?
Of A.
8. Hello?
Can you hear me right? Hello.
It was going good so far. When you started asking the question from then, it
Okay.
started cutting out.
So I not of okay. Okay.
Wait, now
Yeah.
can you ask again?
Yeah. What is the type of A here? Can you hear me?
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Now can you ask again?
The type of A.
It's int.
The type of B.
Flow.
What is the
It's
type
not
of
float.
C? I'll run the program. Just keep it.
T. Yeah. C. Yeah. Characters. C is a string, right?
Yeah, string. I'll print the types of A, B, and C now.
Okay.
Mm. Type of A is int, B is float, and C is string. Okay.
Okay.
Here we have not mentioned anywhere what is the type of A, B, and C here. It is automatically defined. Okay. Forget about this class. We will discuss it later. What is class, why it came, and all. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Just keep it in mind what is the type of these variables. Okay. Whereas in Java or any other programming language, you have to define the type of variable in the program.
Okay.
But in Python, the type of variable is defined during the runtime only. Okay, you can say what is dynamically typed means the type of variable is defined during runtime, and I'll mention here also high level means it almost looks like mm, dynamic means type of variable is defined during runtime. And the third one is interpreted based. Okay, interpreted based. Pooja, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. Interpreted based means line by line execution. Okay.
Okay.
Here in Python, each and every line will execute one after the other. Here, this line will execute it, and if you, I'll try to uh, create some error. Just give me a minute.
Okay.
Yeah. In Python, the code will execute line by line. After this one, this one, this one, this one, like that. Print statements one by one.
Okay.
Whereas
Mm.
in the other programming language, all the code will execute at a time. It is called compiler based, and it is Python is interpreted based. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Uh, line by line, line by line execution. That's it. This is the definition and features of Python. Python. Okay. Whenever anyone will ask about what is Python and all, you have to say this definition only, which includes features also. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you repeat the definition once?
Uh, Python is a high-level programming language. Uh,
You can see here. You can see the definition here, right?
okay, Python is a general purpose, high-level program, dynamically typed, interpreted based programming language, which is used to implement any kind of program.
I think you know about.
Hello?
Pooja. Once
Yeah,
try to
please.
rejoin the class.
Okay, okay. Hello?
Yeah. Pooja.
Yeah. Now I can hear you.
Uh, I think you have an idea on what are operators and all, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
logical operators, arithmetic operators.
Operators are there.
Sorry.
How
Uh,
many operators are there?
there are seven operators. Hello?
Yeah, hello. Just
Yeah.
go with the operators.
Okay. So it's arithmetic operators that we use for mathematical fundamental like
Yeah,
addition, subtraction,
yeah, yeah.
everything. And then we use it for comparison, like equal to, not equal to,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
everything. Uh, and the third one is logical, log and or and everything. Uh, and then we have bitwise operators. Um, which bitwise operators and or XOR and everything. And after that we have identity operators, um, just to check if it's a check operator, is or
Yeah,
is not.
is or is not.
Yeah. And then we have assignment operator. um Assignment operators is like we are uh they equal to sign.
Just
It's
giving
like
value to
we
the
just
variable.
put,
That's it.
yeah, we just put this value and this value, this variable into this value of the variable into another variable.
One is
uh, Hello.
yeah, yeah. Tell me the last one. What is the remaining operator?
uh Arithmetic operator, comparison operator, logical operator, uh, yeah, assignment operator, bitwise operator, yeah, membership operator,
Passive operator. And nothing
and
much in the
identity
not.
operator.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Just go. I'll go with all the operators once.
Okay.
We'll try to, as you know, already you know about operators. So let's try to not to waste our time.
Okay.
Okay. Actually, we have to say at least 2 3 days about these operators. But if you want, I'll explain in all the operators once again. If not, I'll go with I'll complete within this class only, as you wish.
You can I get okay, you can complete a little bit faster only.
So,
So normally in arithmetic operators, in addition, subtraction is like normal addition and subtraction, right? And then we have multiplication. Multiplication is also like normal
uh,
multiplication. Division
division
we
also.
have one is for we get the full division thing, and if we put the double hash, we get only the
Yes,
initial
that is
numbers.
what I'm going to explain now.
Okay.
As you know, a equal to some 5. Okay, directly you can get 5 plus 6, and you will get addition. You know it
Yeah.
11. You will get if you use minus division and all, you will get all the uh, output here. But the
Okay.
thing is, the different operators which we use generally in our programs is floor division, modulus, and exponential. I'll
Okay.
explain you about this. Okay. Yeah. I'll take two variables. A is equal to some 10 and B is equal to some 3. Now C is equal to A by B. Print here I am assigning 10 to A, 3 to B, A by B
Okay.
to C. Okay.
Okay.
Equal to is nothing but assignment operator.
Okay.
Now what will be my output here?
So it'll be 3.5.
The exact division of 10 by 3 here. Okay.
Yeah.
And also I'll try to so 3 these I right, and you will get reminder as what is your reminder here?
It's 1.
One. Okay. Now this is called floor division. Okay. This is
Okay.
called floor division. Just expect what may be the output.
3. Hello.
How you said that is the output is 3?
So it will give it. It won't give the float number. It will only give the integer.
What will be my output here?
1.
Why?
Because it'll modulus will only give the remainder of the division.
Modulus will give the reminder and floor division will give the coefficient. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Float will give you only the coefficient. Okay. Whatever you said is also correct. But the right thing is it floor will give coefficient and modulus will give you reminder. That's it. Okay. Because
Okay.
on this we are
Hello.
just give me a minute. I'll be back.
Okay. Okay. Sure.
Yeah. Hi, Pooja. Pooja.
Yeah.
You'll get and the other operator is exponential.
Okay.
Exponential is nothing but power. I mean 2 times 3 sorry 2 power 3 4 power 5 like that. This is nothing but 10 power 3. You will get 1000 10 cube. Okay.
Okay.
If I use some 5 and some 6 here, it will become 6 power 5. 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 like that. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, this is about exponential. These are the three different operators that you may most of the people don't know. That's
Okay.
those arithmetic operators like addition, division are common operators, so you can able to understand it easily. But
Yeah.
these are the operators which the people will get confused. That's it. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Now the other you go with the
Comparison operators.
comparison is nothing but comparing left side and right side values. That's it.
Yeah.
For example, 5 is equal to 5. You have to use Okay,
It'll
if
say yes or no.
it true or false, that's it.
Yeah, true or false.
You'll get true. You'll get false. And also, if you have just tell me the output. What may be the output?
Just a second. Uh, false.
Now,
True.
yeah. Okay. You'll have equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and all. Okay. Now, you said equal to 5 is true, right?
Yeah.
What is the output now? True or false?
Uh, true.
Okay, you got true only. Now, I'll go with the other thing. Uh, e- I'll take a list of values like 4, 5, and 6, and B as the same values 4, 5, and 6.
Okay.
A equal to what will be my output here?
True.
Yeah, okay, nice. A is B. Here I am using identity, okay? This is comparison and this is
Yeah.
identity. See the difference,
Mm.
okay? What is the output here?
Identity also, it is uh
Get true or false only, okay? True
sorry.
or false. You will get true or false, that's it.
Yeah, is also will get true or false. It'll be will this check variables only? I mean, will this check the numbers in the list only, or will it check anything else when we
Tell
are
me the output.
comparing?
Afterwards, I will explain you that. What is the
Okay.
expected output? So the first one is true, okay. What is the output for the second, this fourth line?
Uh, I think it it will be true only.
Common. Everyone will say
Okay.
that only. But
Okay.
whatever the doubt you got is a perfect doubt, because here compare in comparison operator, it will compare the values in the list. I mean, you have 456 and 456, so it is telling true. But
Yeah.
coming to identity operator, it will compare address. Print
Yeah.
id of a. Id is nothing but address, to find address. Id of b. If you observe, the idea of both the a and b are different.
Yeah.
That's why you are getting false. Okay. You'll are you trying for any job or what? uh,
No, as of now, I just want to. Uh, so I used to know Python, but I didn't use it for some time, so I forgot. So I just want to refresh.
okay. After that, you have completed your graduation, right?
Yeah. So I'm taking a break, but after that, I'm trying for a job.
Yeah, because
Mm.
whenever you are trying to crack any attending any interview, this is a common
Yeah.
question that you are going to trigger with.
Okay. Okay.
What is the difference between equal to and is? If you want to check in Google also, you will get this question for sure. By
Yeah.
the end of this Python course, you will come to know all the definitions. that are going to ask in an interview. Okay,
Okay.
directly search in Google Python questions for this for fresher or for experience. You will get all the definitions which are going to discuss in our class for sure.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, you will have will they will raise a question like what is the difference between is and equal to. You should say that is will compare addresses and equal to will compare the values. That's it.
Okay.
Is a simple I'll try to tell the definitions of any uh, in Python. I'll try to use simple definitions. Okay,
Okay.
I'll try to go with complex one, because whenever you try to use some professional words in your definitions, they
Yeah.
will point out those words and what is that they will and they'll want to ask all those. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
whereas we are going with Python definition, right? We have used some different types of professional words like this
Okay.
dynamically interpreted. If you know the definition about or meaning of those words, you can use that. If not, try to not to use those words in your definitions. Okay, try to
Okay.
make it simple. Go with what are the what are the remaining operators member, membership also. Mm,
Yeah.
current some for in a, you'll get true. Okay, you got true. As this
Yeah.
line by line execution, you are getting all these statements here. Okay, if you want this, simply you can put it in comments, hashtag or triple quotes. You will get true. Membership is nothing but in and not in. That's it.
Mm.
Identity is and is not. uh, After and also yeah, identity in identity we have some different concept like uh, sorry, bitwise.
Yeah. Bitwise.
I'll go with bitwise because that is somewhat confusing topic. Mm, do you have any idea on bitwise,
Yeah.
how it is going to execute?
Sorry. I just a second.
Okay, I'll go with the bitwise now. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
yeah, bitwise in logical also you will use
Yeah.
and here also you will use and. There you will use a and d, logical and, that is called logical and. Here you will
Yeah.
use just symbol, bitwise and.
Okay.
6 and 3. You got output as 2. Why? Do you have any idea on why you got this output as 2? Hello?
Yeah. Yeah. Um.
Do you know binary values? Do you have?
Yeah. So we convert in zeros and ones, right?
Yeah, we'll convert in zeros and ones. Binary value of 1 is
One is one.
use any 4 bits. Okay.
So, sorry, can you repeat?
Yeah, I'm using 4 bits here. Triple zero
Okay.
one is the value of 1, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. 2,
Yeah. Two is 10.
3, 0011.
Uh,
Okay.
okay.
4 is 0100, 5 is 0101, 6 is 0110, 7 is 0111, and
Yeah.
8 is 1000. Okay.
Yeah.
You know, right? How it will come? 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3.
Yeah.
You know, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So the binary value of 6 is sorry, 011. Show here itself. 0110, and 3
Okay.
is 0011. So
Okay.
coming to AND, if you have both numbers as 1, then only you will get output as 1. If not, you will get uh, 0. Okay.
Okay.
0 and 0 you will get 0. 0 and 1 you will get 0. 1 and 1 you will get 1. 0 and 1 you will get 0. Because both the condition, just assume 1 is true and 0 as false. Okay.
Okay.
0 false and true you will get false. True and true you will get true. False, true and false you will get false. False, false you will get false. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now the value of this is nothing but 2. 0010 is 2, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the output of 6 and 3. If you use,
Okay. Can
or
you explain once again one last time?
first of all, you have to know the binary values of each and every number. Okay.
Okay.
I have
Mm.
written binary values of 1 to 8 here. Okay.
Okay.
Here I am using 6 and 3. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, Coming to OR, whenever you are using OR, any one of the value is 1, then you will get your output as 1.
Okay.
Whereas
Mm.
in AND, both the values should have 1 only. I mean, both the numbers should have 1, then only you will get output as 1. If not, you will get 0.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Here, coming to 0 and 1, you will get 0. Okay.
Okay.
0, 1, 0. Okay. Are you getting this point? If
Yeah.
not,
Yeah. I
I will
got
tell
it.
you once again. Okay.
No. 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 I got it. I got it.
What about 1 and 1?
One and one is one.
1 and 0?
Zero.
0. Okay. 0, 0,
Zero.
0. Nice. Okay. So what is the final value here? 0010, right?
Yeah. Which is a value of two.
Tell me about or now. 0 or 1.
Uh. One.
1. 1 or 1.
One.
1 or 0.
One.
0 or 0.
Zero.
Nice. Okay.
So we'll get
So
7.
nothing but this delimiter. If I got 7, we are success. If not, we got 7.
Yeah, 7.
It is very easy. As you know, the most of the people don't know these binary values. So it will take a lot of time to explain these bitwise operators. But as you know, you are uh, more better than all those people. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. You know about all the operators, right?
Uh, bitwise operators, XOR, or we have
Or that you
XOR.
can see later. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Try to prepare notes for all the operators.
Okay. Okay.
Just, you can share your screen and show me the notes. If I see any valid, I mean important points, I'll take those notes. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Try to prepare notes on your phone. Just spend at least 1 hour on my class. After
Okay.
this class, try to spend at least 1 hour for the practice.
Okay.
I mean, tomorrow shall I go for the conditions, or shall I? If you have any doubts in the operators, just ping me with
Okay.
wherever you have struck. Just I'll go with the those pending topics, and I will go to the conditions. The next topic is conditions. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Sure.
and condition. Based on your response, I can understand. I can expect you can easily understand. But you will have little confusion in loops. That also I'll explain you in very easy manner. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Uh, that's all about today's class. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay, Pooja. Then have a nice day. Bye.
Thank you.